Passive income is an absolute lie, and I'm going to tell you why. There is nothing that is truly passive. No matter what, at some point in your life, you have had to do something to generate passive income. So let's look at a sliding scale of all the different types of passive income that people talk about. Real estate. Well, you had to search and find the deal, or you had to go to the closing, or the toilet broke and you had to manage the property, you had a tenant that didn't pay and you had to replace them, you had to screen tenants. All of this stuff is not passive. That is actual things you have to do to be able to generate income. Now, during 75, 80, 90% of the time, it might be passive, where everything's good, nothing's happening, and then all of a sudden a sewer line breaks. Okay, then it's not passive anymore. So I don't think the idea of passive income is wrong. I think the idea that you can have income that's truly 100% passive, because that's the definition of passive income, is a fabrication. I think there's a long sliding scale of not passive to pretty passive, and it depends on the amount of work you do. So I think it should be a mindset shift for a lot of people. Instead of thinking about trying to build a 100% passive investment, thinking, how can I make everything I have more passive than it was before, putting systems in place. So real estate, hiring a property manager to take care of it for you. Great, that requires research and time on your end, but saves you time over the long haul. Finding trusted people to repair the building, having somebody who can help screen for new tenants, like a real estate agent or something like that. Looking at other investments, could be your business. So for us, it's Turo. How are we making that more passive? Well, right now it's very active, but hiring a mobile mechanic, hiring somebody to clean the cars. So that way we don't have to take time out of our day, 2 people to go down, take the car, go to the shop, go to the cleaning, come back, wait for it to get fixed, come back again. Like, it ends up becoming a huge time suck multiplied over right now a 17-car fleet. So that's another option. Another one people talk about are stocks and dividend investing and ETFs and all that stuff. You still have to research the one that you want, and that takes a lot of time. So there is nothing that's 100% truly passive. I want to make that absolutely clear, but choosing your investments, where your time and your money goes, and making decisions to help reduce the amount of time that you have to put into something, I think should be the new goal, and that's what we should all focus on together. So if you're someone who is in that mindset of health, wealth, and freedom, and how we're able to buy our time back to make all of our investments and our businesses more passive, please like and subscribe to the video, leave a comment down below, let me know where you're at on a scale of 1 to 10 on how passive your lifestyle is. And stay tuned, and I'm going to be showing you as I'm trying to remove myself from as much activity as possible to free up my time to spend with my family and enjoy seeing our children grow up. Thank you so much. Take care.